Still wasting hours editing videos? Watch this. What if I told you there's a free online tool that lets you cut, trim, crop, and edit even massive 2GB 4K videos instantly, with no lag, no complicated software, and no watermark? Today we're checking out VideoCutter.io, a surprisingly powerful browser-based video editor. Most video editing software is either expensive, slow, or way too complicated for beginners. You download giant apps, wait forever for videos to import, and your computer starts freezing the moment you open a large file. And if you're making YouTube shorts, TikTok videos, or Instagram reels every day, that workflow becomes frustrating really fast. That's exactly why tools like VideoCutter.io are becoming popular. VideoCutter.io is a free online video editing tool that works directly in your browser. No software installation,
No complicated setup.
just open the website, upload your video, and start editing immediately. It's designed for creators who want fast editing without learning professional editing software. One of the coolest things about this tool is how it handles large videos. Got a massive 2GB 4K video? No problem. Instead of waiting forever for uploads, the video opens instantly inside your browser with almost zero lag. That's a huge advantage for creators working with high-resolution footage, especially if you record gameplay, vlogs, tutorials, drone footage, or long-form content. Let's do a real creator test. This is a huge 2GB 4K video file, the type of footage that usually freezes online editors. But here the video opens almost instantly. I can scrub through the timeline smoothly, add clip points, and start editing without waiting forever for uploads or rendering. For creators working with large files, that speed makes a huge difference. Now, let's talk about the main feature, cutting videos. You can quickly add precise clip points to remove unwanted sections. Just drag the timeline, choose the exact moment you want, and cut your video within seconds. You can also split one long video into multiple clips. That's incredibly useful for repurposing content into shorts, TikToks, or reels. For example, you can turn one 10-minute YouTube video into multiple short clips for social media. The crop and resize tools are also really useful. With one click, you can change your video format for different platforms. 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for Shorts and TikTok, square format for Instagram posts. You can even reposition the frame to keep the important part of the video visible. That saves a lot of editing time. You also get simple editing tools like rotate and flip. So if your footage was recorded sideways or upside down, you can fix it instantly. And because everything runs in the browser, you don't need a powerful editing PC. Now, here's something creators will really appreciate. Your exported videos come with no watermark. A lot of free editors force branding onto your videos unless you pay. But VideoCutter.io lets you export clean videos ready for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or client work. So who is this tool best for? Content creators, students, small businesses, social media managers? Here's where this tool becomes really useful. If you're a YouTuber, you can turn long videos into shorts. If you stream games, you can quickly cut highlight clips for TikTok. And if you create tutorials or podcasts, you can repurpose one video for every platform in minutes. That means less time editing and more time creating content. Anyone who wants fast video editing without complicated software, if your goal is speed, simplicity, and quick content creation, this tool is definitely worth trying. VideoCutter.io keeps video editing simple. It's fast, beginner-friendly, supports large files, and helps creators make content quickly without expensive software. For a free browser-based editor, it's honestly very impressive. If you want to try it yourself, check out VideoCutter.io. And if you enjoy discovering useful creator tools and AI websites, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more videos like this.